Welcome to Easy English by Eddie Singh, and today we are going to do common errors in grammar. Now, Manish, you ask, sir, what is the meaning of common error?
What is the meaning of common error?
Yeah, the error that we commit generally in day-to-day spoken and written English. What I said, the error that we commit in day-to-day spoken and written English. For example, first of all, we'll talk about errors in the use of tense. Look at that. Error in the use of tense. We often commit mistake in the use of tense. Ask sir how?
How, sir?
Look at that. We often use, present continuous tense with the verbs of perceptions, which is wrong. Perceptions, which is wrong, which is completely wrong, which is incorrect. Remember, we cannot use present continuous tense with the verbs of perception. What then you ask? What should we use? We should use simple present tense. We should use simple present tense with the verbs of perception. What did I say?
With the
With the verbs of perception. With the verbs of perceptions. Ask, sir, what are verbs of perception?
What are verbs of
Yes,
perception?
verbs of perceptions denote verbs such as see, all the sense organs, see, test, understand, imagine, all those verbs which we generally act with our, eyes, tongue, mind, all the sense organ, all the sense. For example, what are the incorrect words and incorrect sentences in the verbs of perception, and how should we correct them? So one side I am writing the incorrect sentences, and another side I am writing the correct sentences. Look at that. Generally, we say we are seeing this man. Generally, we say like that. This is wrong. What is the right answer? We see this man. We see this man. We never should use continuous with see. Generally, are you remembering? Generally, people speak incorrect words and incorrect verb. Are you remembering this event? Now, what should be the right answer, Manish? Do you remember? The right answer will be, do you remember? Say like that. Do you remember? Yes. Do you remember this event? This event. So you just see what we are doing. We are using in place of continuous simple present tense. All the verbs of perceptions can be expressed in simple present tense. Like that, you can say, I'm forgetting your name. Now, what is the right answer?
Forget your name.
I forget your name. That is the right answer. I forget your name. I forget your name. This is the right answer. Okay. This was the case with verbs of perception. Now you ask other, sir, where do we commit mistake? Now next to simple present tense, we commit mistake in the use of simple past tense also. Generally, people say, past perfect they use for past action, which is wrong. So they say no, that she had gone there yesterday. This is wrong. We cannot write she had gone there yesterday. The right answer is she went there. What is the right answer? She went there yesterday. We should write simple past tense. What should we write?
Simple past tense.
So instead of had plus V3 past perfect, we should write simple past. What should we write?
Simple past.
So whenever we have the verbs, the adverbs like 1 hour ago, yesterday, 1 month ago, we should use simple past tense. Never say I had gone to Delhi last week. Always say I went to Delhi last week. Or never say I have gone to school yesterday. Always say I went to school. I went to school. Simple past tense is used whenever you talk about the actions which contain the adverbs like an hour ago, yesterday, 10 years ago, 10 months ago, 10 days ago, or some while ago. She came here some while ago. You never say she had come here. Always say she came here. Now, the third mistakes that we generally commit often, that we sometimes use two future tense together, which is totally wrong. we should never use two future tense together. We should use one simple present, another simple future. So we should use simple present and simple future rather than using two future together. Select that. We should use select them. Simple present
Simple present
and simple future
and simple future
together
together.
rather than
Rather than
using two future. Never say that if Prince will come, I will go. This is wrong. Always say if Prince comes, I will go. What will be the right answer? If Prince comes, I will go. I will go. So which one is simple present? Tell me. This one, I will go. And which one is simple? Hey, this one, Prince comes is simple present. And I will go is simple future. I will go is
Simple future.
if Prince comes. If it rains, we will not play the match. If it rains, never say if it will rain, we will play the match. So one will be simple present, another will be simple present, right? Simple future. What will be there? Tell me. One will be simple present, another will be simple future. No two future can be together. No two future can be
Together.
And then another one, we always commit mistake. Actually, when two actions are taking place in the past, one after the other, one after the one which had taken place first will be in past perfect. Say like that. The one which had taken place first will be in past perfect.
Past perfect.
Like the train had left before I reached the station. The train had left the patient had died before the doctor came. So the action which had taken place first will be in past perfect, and the action which took little later will be in simple past. Will be in
Simple past.
And the last one, they generally people commit mistake. They always say I have been reading a book for 10 hours. This is wrong. This is an action of present perfect continuous tense. An action has been continuing over a period of time. Therefore, it should be I have been reading a book for an hour. See, what is wrong in this? He is ill for 10 days. Wrong. The answer will be he has been ill for 10 days. What will be the right answer? So, whenever an action takes place, and has been continuing over a period of time or point of time in the present, we should never use present continuous. We should use present perfect continuous. Present perfect
Continuous.
Like he has been ill for 10 days. He has been studying for an hour. He has been studying for
an hour.
Similarly, we should never use past continuous alone. We should use past continuous with simple past. Like when you came, I was writing something. When you all came, I was recording one video. I was recording. So simple past and past continuous are the actions which take place in the past at the same time.
Same time.
So sometimes we should use past continuous, but with some point of time or period. Like yesterday afternoon, I was reading the book. I was reading the book all afternoon yesterday. All afternoon.
Yesterday.
She was cooking food all in the afternoon yesterday. So you will have to provide some time. Otherwise, time or words. Otherwise, it will be wrong. It will be.
Wrong.
And the last but not the least, we should always use future perfect along with simple
So
present.
since
Since is for point of time. Point of time. Like he has been ill since yesterday. Point of time. You have been here since 9 o'clock. Since
9 o'clock.
so point of time since and period of time for. Okay. Thank you. That's all.